Hi, I'm Deepthi Singh. Today I'm back with another vocabulary building lesson on the phrase I think. Have you ever found yourself starting sentences with the phrase I think? While it's a common phrase, it can make you sound uncertain and unsure. In this video, I will share some alternatives to help you sound more confident and assertive in your communication. First on our list is I believe. This phrase is similar to I think, but it conveys more certainty and conviction. Second option for you is in my opinion. This phrase acknowledges that what you are saying is based on your personal perspective, but it still sounds confident and authoritative. Another great way to start is from my experience. This phrase is particularly useful when you are sharing insights or knowledge gained from personal experience. And finally, we have it seems to me. This phrase conveys a similar meaning to I think, but it sounds more considered and thoughtful. So next time you catch yourself starting a sentence with I think, try one of these alternatives instead. You'll sound more confident, authoritative, and persuasive. Hope this video was very helpful. Like, comment, and share. And do let us know in your comment boxes which is the next phrase